Are you able really to be 2,000, 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit and a NileBuilt home can withstand that kind of temperature?
Yeah, and so to be careful, fire resistant
Okay.
is the term. There's nothing on planet Earth that I would deem to be fireproof. And so if you look at wood frame construction, the biggest issue behind it is combustibility. And so if the house burning next to you is burning at that 2,000 or 2,500 degree Fahrenheit temperature, it takes about 600 degrees Fahrenheit of just combustion to ignite a wood frame wall. And so you can see how that dominoes, and these neighborhoods just continue to burn one after the other. And so, this is what we're dealing with. And so if you look at a change in materials, and in our particular case, concrete, everybody understands does not burn. But what you have to have is thermally efficient concrete as well. And so in our particular design, we have encapsulated XPS, or an extruded foam board in the center core, which is 4 inches, which produces a massively high static R value. But the importance of that is making sure that there is nowhere that fire can penetrate through the concrete layers that are around the foam. And that is a function of using fiber composite materials, which is a proprietary blend that we have to encapsulate this foam core so that it cannot be accessed by fire.